Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to use an auto clicker on your iPhone. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to auto click. So let's get started by opening settings and scrolling down to accessibility, then switch control, make sure that it's turned on. And now look for switches, add new switch, screen, full, and select item, and then go to recipes, and then create new recipe. Now you're gonna want to add a name. I'm just gonna put auto click. And now that you have a name, go to assign a switch, tap on full screen and custom gesture, and basically you're gonna want to spam on the certain area that you want to auto click. So just tap on that, keep on tapping, and then stop, and tap on save, and then go back, launch recipe, tap on auto click, go back, and then tap on, and now tap on accessibility shortcut, switch control, and then go back once you enable it. And now that you're done, all you have to do is just tap on or click the power off button 3 times. And once you do that, it's gonna start spamming the auto clicker. I'm not gonna show you because it might break my phone, but I promise it won't break yours. I'm just not gonna do it because it might start clicking on random things, because that's how auto clicker works. And it's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.